welcome back to our video class. Dear students, we already uploaded one video from class 9 mathematics, optional mathematics book, that is matrix. In this video, we are going to discuss about type of matrix. Students, before starting the concept of types of matrix, I want to recall pre-concept, that is pre-concept of our previous videos. Okay, how to write order, or what is row and column of matrix. Okay, if we have given one matrix A is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, then you have to write the order of this matrix. You can write order. Order means number of rows by number of columns. Yes, matrix A have 2 rows, first, second row, then you can write 2 by also 2 column, first column and second column, so you can write 2 by 2. That is the order of this matrix. A is 2 by 2. Yes, you have to remember this in this video. Okay, students, let's start our class. Type of matrix. What are the type of matrix? First, we have first matrix, that is row matrix. Row matrix. Students, do you know what you mean by row? What do you mean by row? Row represents always horizontal line. Yes. You can see here, if A equals to 1, 2, B equals to 1, then C equals to 1, 2, 3, D equals to A, B, C, D. You can see in whiteboard we have 4 different matrices. You can write the order of this matrix. You can write the order of this matrix. Order of this matrix: 1, number of 1 by 1, 2 columns, 1 by 2, then 1 by 1, then order of this matrix: 1 row, 1 by 1, 2, 3 column, 1 by 3, then order of this matrix: 1 by 4. You can see here, all matrices have only 1 row. 1 by 2, number of 1, 1 by 1, number of row 1, 1 by 3, number of row 1, and 1 by 4, number of row 1. So these all matrices are example of row matrix. Now when you find row matrix like this, those matrices having only one row is known as row matrix. Those matrices having only one row is known as row matrix. Okay? हेर्नुस् त, सबै म्याट्रिक्स जसको के हुनु पर्छ, एउटा मात्रै रो भयो भने त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ? रो म्याट्रिक्स भन्छौँ. Okay, next one, column matrix. Column matrix. Now students, you can see here, A equals to 1, 2. We have one matrix, matrix A for column matrix. B equals to X, Y, Z. Then C equals to also 1. Now, we have to write the order of this matrix. Write the order: 1, 2, number of rows 2, 2 by 1, then 3 by 1, and 1 by 1. Students, can you find out the difference between these two matrices? You can see here, in all matrices, I have only one row. 1 by 2, 1 by 1, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. But in here, 2 by 1, 3 by 1, and 1 by 1. This all matrix I have only one column. So those matrix having only one column is known as column matrix. If we have only one row in matrix, that is row matrix. If we have only one row in matrix, that is row matrix. And if we have only one column, this type of matrix is known as column matrix. Do you know what is the difference between row and column? Row matrix and column matrix? Those matrices having only one row is known as row matrix, and only one column is known as column matrix. Now third one, square matrix. Square matrix. Do you know what is square? Do you know what you mean by square? Square means those geometric closed figure having all side equal and its all interior angle are exactly 90 degrees. Yes, that is square. But in square matrix, then see here 1 is equals to 1. Sorry, A is equals to 1. Then B equals to A, B, C, D. And C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9. Now, write the order of this matrix. Order of matrix A, 1 by 1. Order of matrix B, 2 by 2. And order of matrix C, that is 3 by 3. You can see here, number of rows and number of column of matrix A are equal. And number of row and number of column of matrix B are also equal. That is 2 and 2. The number of row and number of column of matrix C, 3 and 3 are equal. So these all matrices are an example of square matrix. Those matrices having equal number of rows and equal number of columns is known as square matrix. Those matrices having equal number of rows and columns is known as square matrix. Those matrices having equal number of rows and equal number of columns is known as square matrix. Now, fourth, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. Okay, A equals to 1, 2. B equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And matrix C equals to A, B, C, D, E, F. Now, write the order of this all matrix. Order of matrix A, number of row 1 by number of column 1, 2, 1 by 2. Order of matrix B, number of rows 1, 2 by number of column 1, 2, 3, 2 by 3. Then order of this matrix 1, 2, 3 rows, so write 3 by number of column 1, 2, 3 by 2. You can see here. Order of matrix A 1 by 2. Number of row and number of column are different. Number of row 1 and column 2. Then order of matrix B 2 by 3. Number of row and number of column are also different. 2 and 3. And here also number of rows and number of column are different. So these all matrices are example of rectangular matrix. You can say that those matrices or that type of matrix whose number of rows and column are different to each other, or whose number of rows and number of column are different, then that type of matrix is known as rectangular matrix. If only one row matrix, only one column matrix, number of rows and number of column are equal, square matrix, and number of rows and number of column are different, that is rectangular matrix. Okay, now next, null or empty matrix. Null or empty matrix. 5 null matrix. थाहा छ null matrix भनेको के, empty भनेको के थाहा छ? Empty भनेको खाली हैन, null भनेको के पनि छैन भन्ने हो नि, 0. Okay, A equals to 0, B equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, C equals to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see here 3 examples of null matrix. Those matrix having elements all elements 0, or those matrix if its all entries are 0, then that type of matrix are said to be empty matrix or null matrix. Okay. The next one, diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix of 6 diagonal matrix. Based on if A equals to 1, 0, 0, 2. B equals to A 0, 0, 0, B 0, 0, 0, C. Now, write the order of this matrix. We have two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Can you write the order of these two matrices? Can you write the order? Yes. Order of this matrix 2 by 2. The order of this matrix 3 by 3. In square, we have two diagonals. First diagonal this, then second one is this. Okay. In this square, this diagonal is known as main diagonal or leading diagonal. Okay. In square, this diagonal is known as main diagonal or leading diagonal. In the same way, this is an example of square matrix. This is also an example of square matrix. In this two square matrix, let's see here, leading diagonal, another 0, leading diagonal, another 0, except leading diagonal, it's all entries are 0. Yes, except this leading diagonal, it's all entries are 0. So, those matrices are said to be diagonal matrices. Those square matrices are said to be diagonal matrices. If it's all entries are 0 except leading diagonal. If it's all entries are 0 except leading diagonal. You have to remember one thing. Diagonal matrix always in square matrix. Diagonal matrix भनेको के हुनु पर्छ? कसलाई स्क्वायर म्याट्रिक्स हुनै पर्छ. स्क्वायर म्याट्रिक्स जसको के हुन्छ? लिडिङ डायगोनल बाहेकको सबै एलिमेन्ट 0 छ भने त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौँ? डायगोनल म्याट्रिक्स भन्छौँ. Now we have two type of matrix remaining. Now next one, square matrix 7, scalar matrix. Okay, matrix A is equals to 2 0 0 2. 2 0 0 2. The next example, B is equals to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Okay, you must know matrix A equals to 2 0 0 2. Its leading diagonal elements are same. Then matrix B equals to 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Also its leading diagonal elements are same. Those diagonal matrix हुनै पर्यो. Those diagonal matrix whose leading diagonal elements are same. Whose leading diagonal elements are same is known as scalar matrix. If its leading diagonal elements are 1, that is, if X is equals to 1 0 0 1, if its leading diagonal entries are 1, then this type of matrix is known as identity matrix. Identity or unit matrix. Unit matrix. Okay. Square matrix. Except leading diagonal, all entries are 0. Diagonal matrix. If its diagonal elements, leading diagonal elements are same. Scalar matrix. If its leading diagonal entries or elements are 1, then this type of matrix is known as unit matrix. Students, in this class we discussed about type of matrix. First one, row matrix. Those matrix having only one row is known as row matrix. Second, column matrix. Those matrix having only one column is known as column matrix. Then third, square matrix. Those matrix whose number of rows and number of columns are equal, that is known as square matrix. Then next, rectangular matrix, unequal number of rows and columns. Square matrix, rectangular matrix. Then next, diagonal matrix. Those square matrix whose all entries are 0 except leading diagonal. Those square matrix whose all entries are 0 except leading diagonal is known as diagonal matrix. Then next, scalar matrix. Those matrix is known as scalar. Those diagonal matrix is known as scalar matrix if its leading diagonal elements are same. Then last one, unit matrix. Those diagonal matrix is known as unit matrix whose leading diagonal elements are 1. Students, I hope you all are clear about the type of matrix. If you have any confusion, can message me for more videos.